Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your Schwab bank statements online. Open the website, then log in with your login ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Statements. On the Statements page, you will see an Account section. Select the account you wish to view your statements. Under it, you will see several document types to view. Click on the tick box beside Statements. On the right side of the Account section, you will see a Search button. Click on Search. Now you will see all of your account bank statements. To download the file, click on the Save button beside the statement you wish to view. Once the file is downloaded, open it. There you will see the report of your account bank statements. That's how you view your Schwab bank statements online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.